Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of nature's most powerful remedies. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of lion's mane mushroom, a natural wonder that's taking the health world by storm. Stay tuned to discover why this unique fungus is hailed as a brain-boosting, immune-enhancing superfood. First, let's talk about the brain. Imagine if you could naturally enhance your cognitive functions, improve your memory, and even protect your brain from age-related decline. Sounds incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what lion's mane mushroom is known for. Lion's mane contains two special compounds, hericenones and aranencines, which have been shown to stimulate the growth of new brain cells and enhance cognitive function. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that these compounds can even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But it's not just about protecting your brain. Lion's mane can actually boost your mental clarity and focus. Imagine starting your day with a clear, sharp mind and ready to tackle any challenge. That's the power of lion's mane. Next, let's talk about your mood and mental health. Did you know that lion's mane has been linked to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression? A study conducted by researchers in Japan found that women who consumed lion's mane cookies reported significantly lower levels of anxiety and depression after just 4 weeks. This is because lion's mane helps to regulate the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are crucial for maintaining a positive mood and emotional balance. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your mental well-being, lion's mane might just be the answer. Let's move on to another amazing benefit, your immune system. Lion's mane is packed with antioxidants and beta-glucans, which are powerful compounds known to enhance your immune response. These compounds help your body fend off pathogens and reduce inflammation, keeping you healthier and more resilient. Regular consumption of lion's mane can help you stay healthier throughout the year, whether it's flu season or allergy season. It's like having a natural shield against common illnesses. And it doesn't stop there. Lion's mane is also beneficial for your digestive health. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the gut lining, and its prebiotic fibers help nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This can lead to improved digestion and healthier gut microbiome. A healthy gut is key to overall wellness, influencing everything from your immune system to your mental health. So, by supporting your digestive health, lion's mane helps you feel your best, inside and out. Now, you might be wondering, how can you incorporate lion's mane into your daily routine? There's good news. It's incredibly versatile. You can find lion's mane in various forms like capsules, powders, and even teas. You can add the powder to your smoothies, coffee, or recipes for an easy health boost. For those who prefer convenience, capsules are a great option. Just make sure you choose a high-quality product from a reputable source to get the most benefits. Lion's mane is generally safe for most people, but as with any supplement, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions. So there you have it. From boosting brain power and improving mental health to enhancing your immune system and supporting digestive health, lion's mane mushroom is a true natural powerhouse. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health, lion's mane could be the game changer you've been searching for. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy and stay curious. Remember, nature has the answer to many of our health questions, and we're here to help you discover them one step at a time. We'll see you in the next video.